Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Nvidia installer cannot continue in Windows 11, 10 or less, right? So the first step, what I suggest you to do is to fix my problem. Sometimes I'm getting this error because my Nvidia control panel is open. So try to close completely Nvidia control panel and then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then you need to find your setup, right click on it, go to here and extract files to here, extract to this folder, right? And we need to wait for a couple of seconds until it will be extracted. And after that, I will show you what you need to do here next. Don't worry, it will take me a couple of seconds here. Then you should get the folder. Then you need to go to device manager. And on device manager, you need to go to display adapters, select your GPU, right click on it, update driver, browse my computer for drivers. In my particular case, it will be on the desktop. For you, it may be on downloads, right? So as you can see here, I need to go to desktop, select the folder. Okay, next. As you can see here, I need to wait for a couple of seconds until it's installed. As you can see here, drivers is installed, and then you just need to restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.